A recent medical study has shown that reading the best-selling novel of E.L. James poses health risks especially to women. The Michigan State University said women who will read 50 Shades of Grey are more at risk of succumbing to eating disorders, binge drinking and abusive relationships. The widely popular university, however, clarified that despite their findings, they are not calling for the ban of the novel, but just stating the risks if you happen to read it. The study made by the university is considered as the first to analyze the relationship between health risks and popular fiction depicting violence against women. Lead researcher and family expert Professor Amy Bonomi warned those women who experienced adverse health behaviors such as disordered eating first should avoid reading the novel since it could reaffirm those experiences and potentially aggravate related trauma. The research findings were based on the study they made on more than 650 women who are between 18 and 24. This is the period when women are more active in discovering greater sexual intimacy in relationships. The researchers noted that those who read the first novel were 25% more likely to have a partner who yelled or swore at them, 34% are more likely to have a partner who demonstrated stalking tendencies, and more than 75% are more likely to have used diet aids or fasted for more than 24 hours. The result of their study also showed that 65% of the women who read all three in the series were more likely to binge drink, or drink 5 or more drinks on a single occasion on 6 or more days a month, and 63% more likely to have had sexual intercourse with at least 5 men. Bonomi said before reading the novel, women should be aware of the health risk it poses so that they will not be surprised if they will experience some adverse medical conditions for reading it. 50 Shades of Grey talks about the deepening relationship between a literature graduate, Anastasia Steele, and a young business tycoon, Christian Grey. The main plot of the story lies on the extreme fondness of Christian Grey to sadism and masochism, resulting to physical violence and emotional torture of Anastasia Steele. Since the 50 Shades series has been released, it has already sold more than 100 million copies worldwide.